Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Hurricane Mills Waverly, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Situated off Interstate 40, this Hurricane Mills hotel is a 15-minute drive from Loretta, Lynn's ranch. The hotel features a gated outdoor pool and classic rooms with free Wi-Fi. Holiday Inn Express Hurricane Mills Waverly provides rooms with gold tones and wood furniture. Cable TV with pay-per-view movies is available in the rooms. Each is furnished with a microwave, refrigerator and coffee facilities. A business center with fax and photocopying services are available at the hotel. Waverly Holiday Inn Express Hurricane Mills also offers on-site laundry facilities. Downtown Waverly is 15.5 miles from the hotel. Guests are within a 25-minute drive from the Buffalo River Country Club. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.